Don't waste money on expensive fertilizers before seeing this natural miracle. I'll show you how to make a simple but powerful organic fertilizer that peppers absolutely love. Plus, it protects them from diseases and pests. The first ingredient is crushed eggshells, ground to speed up decomposition. Peppers often show damage from calcium deficiency, which this natural fertilizer helps prevent. Friends, let us know where you're watching from. Thanks. Pour the shells into half a liter of hot water and let them break down for a few days until a strong smell develops. Next, add a tablespoon of nettle tea to encourage vigorous growth and protect against disease. Rich in nitrogen, iron, potassium, and calcium, nettle supports strong stems, healthy leaves, and abundant fruit. As a fertilizer, it improves soil and activates beneficial microbes. Then add 100 milliliters of whey, which boosts the plant's immune system and helps fight fungal infections. Whey contains lactic acid, proteins, and minerals that nourish soil and improve its structure. Regular use makes peppers hardier and their fruit healthier. The last ingredient is half a tablespoon of cinnamon, which prevents mold and fungi in the soil and repels pests like ants and aphids. Thanks to its essential oils and natural compounds, cinnamon acts as a gentle yet effective fungicide and insect deterrent. Let the mixture sit for a few hours, then strain and dilute with 2 liters of water. Water or spray your peppers every 10 days for best results. They'll grow better than ever. Friends, check out our next video on preventing powdery mildew on cucumbers, linked on the screen. Thanks and take care.